wait for Moruca's first cassava processing factory is finally over, as the facility is now completed.
The wait for Moruca's first cassava processing factory is finally over, as the facility is now completed. The Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs invested approximately $10 million to have the Moruca cassava processing factory completed. Minister within the ministry, Valerie Garrido-Lowe, visited Quebana and inspected the new factory. The cassava processing factory was completed with assistance by the residents in Quebana. This year, the government invested an additional $60 million towards the conclusion of the project. The factory will produce cassava flour in Region 2 with additional products such as casrip, starch, and other cassava byproducts. Not only will residents in Quebana benefit from the production, but persons from Mabaruma, Port Kaituma, and Matthews Ridge will also benefit. With the establishment of this factory, more residents in the Moruca district will get access to employment opportunities. For InfoHub, Aliyah Hamilton.